Hey guys, I'm Alex, the founder of You Never Sleep, and in this quick demo I will show you how our tool works and why it's the best one for Yelp businesses. So in the previous video I showed you how to connect Zapier to your Yelp. It works good, so you can set up the simple prompt there, so you can try and play with this, but it don't have very important things. For example, you can't manage the prompt very deep there. In our platform, we help to manage prompt, and you can book always a call with me under this video, and we can help you with setup a prompt exact for a business, because each of the home service business has their own needs, own specifics. So the second thing, so we have follow-ups here. You also don't have it in Zapier. Here in follow-up, we can choose how many follow-ups you want to send, choose the delay of each follow-up. Then we send notifications about bookings, and when the client shared his phone number, it's also very important, because if somebody booked, you are not, you just haven't seen that, so you just lost the client. So let's test it. All what you need for be able to see how the chat works with your business, you just need to go to your business page, copy the business link, so it's like biz and your keyword or ID, so it doesn't matter. So just copy this link, then go to the chat and click analyze. So now we just need to wait about 20 seconds. In the meanwhile, we scrape the business, we create the instructions for AI, and we create the test request. And now in a few seconds, you see the fully working chat. And yeah, here you can see that business information scraped successfully. So business hours, specialities, history, some information of your business. And then, boom, we created the request as you have in Yelp. So just random request about your business. So here it created the HVAC repair request. So just address and so something like that. Okay, so and you already have the AI response here, ready to help. Ask me anything about our appliance repair services. So okay, just let's ask the question: are you available today? Let's wait. Yes, would you like to morning or afternoon? So let's do, I don't know, afternoon. And you can see now that it will go and try to book the meeting with you in each step. So okay, can I grab a phone number to confirm the appointment? Okay, let's write down the phone number. And now, okay, thank you. I'll call shortly to log on your appointment for this afternoon. See you soon. So let's ask something from the tips as well. So okay, to get a great quote, so we need to take a look afternoon. Outage will explain your options. Sounds good. Let's also ask the typical question. No, I need to know the price. Let's send this message. Can't find the pricing. It depends on many factors, but if you believe in your business, it's better to give the price list. You can just add in the interface the price list, and it will work with that. Okay, so after testing here, what you can do here, if you like this chat, so you can share it with your friends, and this exact chat will be opened in for your friends maybe, or somebody, I don't know, or employees. And then if you like it, so you just click this button, sign up with Yelp, and then just create the account. So let's create something basic, and let's go to sign up. Okay, now here I already signed in Yelp, so I just continue as Alex. And then you need to wait 1 minute. So what is happening in 1 minute? For this 1 minute. So first we scrape all your Yelp businesses. So in my case, I have 2 businesses. Then it will go and create the custom instructions for all these 2 businesses, custom follow-ups as well, instructions. And then as a last step, it just set up the profile and connect properly. So just a few more seconds and you will see set up for Yelp profile. Oh yeah, it's ready. So you can see the exact instructions we have. So you have the role, the just basic instructions. On the right side now we see that it also created the test request. And you can see the message. So, hi Sarah, thanks for reaching out. It sounds like your so this is the model probably, right? Yeah, I just in this test request it's just like wrote the model. Great. Having some issues, I'd love to help. Can we schedule time for one or for our technicals to come by and take a look? Great. So you can see now that it is like it works a little bit better than on the landing page. So it's like analyze the request and offer to schedule time. So let's do, I want to, like, for example, tomorrow 5 p.m. That's great. Got it, Sarah. Pencil for tomorrow 5 p.m. downtown Tampa. So we'll give you a call. Anything changes? Sounds good. Let's ask, like, what's the warranty? Absolutely. We offer warranty, every service, peace of mind. So if you need details, just ask when your tech arrives, or can I connect with our manager for the specifics. So in the like these edge cases of warranties or maybe discounts, something like that, this is like different for different companies. So we have the instruction that, okay, just ask the write that you will ask the specialist and just come back. So this is how the test chat works. By the way, you can manage this instruction, or you can just leave the feedback here about the chat. If you write down the feedback here, so you don't like it something, so it will be automatically, I will change the instructions, and instructions will be better. So just auto improving of the instructions. So also what we have here, so we also have here follow-up setup. So for now, as a basic, we have one follow-up setup, which is like 15 minutes. So we also can add as many follow-ups as you have. So we can schedule another for 30 minutes and just copy the prompt, and that's it. And this is like the basic setting up. So then we have testing Yelp. What is if you want to test this system in your Yelp account, but don't want to test for all of new users, so you, for example, now have active advertising and you don't want to like messy with haven't set up for profile yet, so instructions yet. So you just add your user URL. So if you go here, so and if you have the client side account, so you just tap about me. So this is my user account. I just copy this link of my user and I just need to paste it here, and it will be added to the testers. And now I, as a user, can just go and write down to this business. If you struggle with some of these steps, if you don't understand something, so you can also tap this button and schedule a call with me personally. So I will take a look on your business, take a look on your like needs about the instructions and how your business works. Maybe you need to something custom about schedule. Maybe you have something custom about instructions. So I could help you to make the instructions better and to make the response better as well. And that's pretty it. So this is pretty easy. And also one of the greatest thing in this app, that for make it work in your Yelp, so you need to just turn on this toggle, and after turning it on, so it will work for all your new leads. So yeah, that's great, I think. So pretty easy. So you can even just test it for some of the leads, see how it works, and then according to this just feedback and first tests, like change it. So yeah, also you can always watch tutorial to see this tutorial. So and then you can schedule them again with me, and I will help you to set up it properly if you struggle with something. Also, if you have several businesses, you can just change the businesses here in the tabs, and you can also add the team members in your in this account to this account. Great. So I hope you will like it and already liked it. So just go under this video and start the test. I believe that you will be amazed of the features and the instructions and how it works, and how it is better than just human outreach, because that now on Yelp it is like very, very huge competition. So somebody like the business which not responds in the first, like, I don't know, 5 minutes, 1 minute, 3 minutes, so they just will lose their leads. So if you will have any questions, just write down under the video, below this video, or schedule a call with me, and I will help you with all your questions. Thank you.